Here's a picture I came across and it gave me an idea for a video, and that of course would be the brick stairway and the wood deck. If you have a set of brick stairs, no matter how big or small, you will need to make sure that there is a gap between the brick and any wood. The brick should not touch the wood at all. Moisture can easily transfer from any bricks or blocks to wood, and this is a common thing. I mean, I see it all the time. And then of course the wood rots. Make sure there's at least a ½ inch gap, and even if it's a ½ inch gap, any gap that will prevent the moisture from transferring from the brick to the wood will be beneficial to the wood, especially if you have a wood deck or a wood porch like the picture that you've previously seen. So to make a long story even longer, what are you going to do if you're building anything with brick? You are going to keep it away from the wood at all costs. Now there is one more thing I'd like to point out. If you use brick and you leave a gap, don't be fooled. These gaps could easily be filled with debris, branches, leaves, dirt. I've seen you name it over a period of time. You know, it becomes part of the stairway. Enough debris, it looks like it belongs there. So make sure that if you do leave a gap that you have, you maintain it. And you know, don't be fooled. You can actually build a brick stairway up against a wood deck, and if there's no room or no escape route for the debris, in other words, you can't clean this area out, eventually you're going to have problems. So that might be something else to think about. Not only do you need to leave a gap, but you will also need to have a gap that is not going to trap debris. If you have a solid surface on each side, a solid brick stairway forming a solid surface, and a solid wood deck on the other side, and there is no way for this debris to escape, then it is going to rot. It's going to accumulate in between the gap and rot the wood out even faster.